Hello Capricorns, this is your monthly reading for the month of June. So let's check out your love energy. Nine of Swords. You are overthinking about something. You do have some sort of anxiety in the month of June. You are not able to sleep. You are overthinking. This is the card of overthinking when you are not able to sleep because you are thinking so much. So let's see your partner's love energy for the month of June. Two of Cups. So you are dealing with your soulmate. They do want to exchange their love of cup with you. So definitely this is something soulful connection that you have with this person. And this person do aware about the thing that you are their soulmate, but you are totally in a depression or depressing kind of a state. So let's see your love energy. So we have a four of wands. So after the thinking period, after the depression period, there is some good changes in your love connection, and that is like a union. You do spend some good time with your partner, and that is giving you a lot of happiness. This is like a dating period with your partner. You spend really a good time period with your partner after this phase. In the starting phase, may you feel this sort of energy. Sorry for background noise, but this beautiful energy do come in the month of June. Your partner's love energy. Page of Pentacles. They do offer you some sort of a offer of dating or something. Maybe they ask you for coffee or something. So they do want to send you some sort of a message, offer you some sort of a short journey or something. So this person going to offer you something. So let's see your love energy for the month of June. Eight of Wands. So you have a lot of passion for your partner. You do communicate with your partner. So this is the message of traveling also. Maybe you travel towards them, or maybe you are simply sending them a lot of messages. Communication, lot of burning passion that you have for your partner. So let's see your partner's love energy. Your partner's love energy is like Seven of Pentacles and the King of Wands. They are waiting for something to grow. They are putting or investing a lot of time, maybe in this connection or maybe in their career. So they are waiting for their tree to grow. King of Wands. They are also very beautiful, charismatic in their power, very confident, very passionate kind of energy. So this person have a lot of passion for you. So this is like a mirroring kind of energy when you both have a lot of passion towards each other. So let me take the final card, final outcome of your connection for the month of June. So we have the Five of Cups, but there is some sort of a missing kind of energy. For some, this is like, I'm getting that this is the renewal of your connection, or for some, you both do want to communicate with each other, and there is a sense of loneliness without each other. You both missing each other, and you just simply like thinking about the past time period when you both share some good time period together. You are just involved in that kind of a memories when you both are together, and you just do want to communicate with your partner. This is for one scenario, right? Because there is a still missing kind of energy, and your first card is very strong. So these two cards representing that you still overthinking about the situation, and missing kind of energy is also there, but there is a chances for few to reconcile again and to spend some good time again together, right? So let me take one advice for my beautiful Capricorns for the month of June. One advice card from the universe. So we have a Queen Yin, care and compassion. Choose to be loved. Do what is the right for everyone involved. Offer a helping hand. So do offer your helping hand to the others that also help you in some sort of a way to heal. So this is the like care and compassion. So do show your care and compassion for others, right? So this is the message, and let me see your strength for the month of June. Okay, so we have Puffin partnership. Accept yourself and your colorful personality. Feel confident about being you. You are a joy bringer. Let your community nourish and protect you. Ask for help. Teamwork, teamwork will give you the best result. If you do teamwork, that will give you a lot of best results. And one thing is like common, and that is like ask for help. And here again, offering a helping hand. So maybe angels do want to help you. You just have to pray and ask for the help. So if you like this video, then like, share and subscribe. Okay, bye bye.